Hi folks, Nurul here, wishing you all a happy and prosperous New Year 2026. May this year be the best for you. Wanted to come on video and say hi rather than writing and posting on social media. So as the year starts, I think many of you will do resolutions or targets and things like that. What I do is before I start the year, I do my budgeting, both personal and business, forecast for the year. I spent yesterday, well, that's the last I do. I wait for the last day of the year to do my personal finance. So I mapped up the whole year, month by month, day by day, what expenses are coming out, what's my cash balance is going to look like, and where I would need to focus more on things, right? Especially when I am actually unemployed and trying to build a business at the same time. So for the business, also the same thing. I have specific expenses that come out monthly and some expenses that are yearly, and the revenues really up and down at the moment. Some months I don't have much, some months I do. And so I have to build this out to be able to balance the cash flow in my business also, right? It's as important as any other thing. And to be accurate is really critical. Well, accurate, what I mean is, say, about 90% at least have accuracy in what you are forecasting or what you're predicting to be the year about. I have gained this experience over the years, 20 plus years experience in the corporate world, where we do need to have a certain accuracy in our forecasting, or we're penalized, by the senior leaders. So I was wondering if you guys would want to experience that sort of, budgeting, forecasting, both. You could apply this method both for your personal life and also for your business life. The same principles are applied. I have been doing this personal forecasting, budgeting, even before I became an accountant back in 2002. So I was doing this budgeting forecasting even before that. I had a simple spreadsheet where I used to do my daily ins and outs and also estimate what would be for the month. So if you're interested in getting into a different style of budgeting forecasting, then I would love you to leave a comment below saying budget. If I see a demand, then I will hold a session for you guys. The session will be, if I see some yeses, then most probably around the 15th of the month, whenever that days fall, and we'll go through a 1 hour, 1.5 hour session where you can easily see how it's done. It's not a 1 hour session when you do it practically, but at least the lessons you learn from it, you can apply it on your own. And I could also, if you're interested, invite you to a community where you could ask me further questions on how to develop this for your business and for your personal life. So if you're interested, do let me know. I'm happy to do this session with you guys, and really at no cost. It's just to build up my skill sets of working outside the corporate world and be able to see what questions, feedbacks you have for me while I build my own business. So leave a comment below. Budget, that's the best word we can put, and I will organize this session for you guys happily without any cost for you. So enjoy the rest of the day, and wishing you all a really, really successful 2026. Bye now.